Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for honey and garlic tofu stir fry. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take a block of tofu. I've just drained this off, put it between two pieces of kitchen paper, and I've let it sit for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to cut it into bite-sized pieces about 2 centimeters square. I'm going to pop it into a bowl. And to that then I'm going to add some garlic powder and some soy sauce. I'll give that a mix round. Just get everything covered with the liquid. Then on top of that there I'm going to add some cornflour. This will help the tofu crispen up when it's in the oven. Just give that a stir around, make sure all the tofu is covered in it. So now that our tofu is fully coated, we're going to take a baking tray. We're going to cover it with some grease-proof paper, which we'll just spray with a little cooking oil, and then to that we're going to add our tofu. We'll spread it out evenly just to make sure that all the air can get round it, to make sure that it goes crispy. Now we're going to pop it into a preheated oven that's 200 degrees centigrade, 180 fan, or gas mark 6. We're going to bake that for 30 minutes, and while that's baking we're going to make a sauce. So in a bowl we're going to add some honey and some more soy sauce. Then I'm going to add some water to it and about 1/4 teaspoon of cornflour. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means that I can make further videos for you. Now we'll give that a stir round and we'll just let it sit for a few minutes. So now that our cornflour mix is made up, we're going to go over to our frying pan. I'm going to put it onto a medium heat. I'm going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. And to that I'm going to add some baby broccoli florets, some button carrots, some diced peppers, some sliced courgette or zucchini, and some crushed garlic. Now we'll just stir fry that there until the vegetables are tender. This can take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. So now that our vegetables are cooked, we're just going to add the sauce. We'll give that a stir around, we'll cook that for a couple of minutes and just let it thicken. Now that our sauce is thickened, we're going to add our cooked tofu from earlier, which has been nice and crispy and browned after it comes out of the oven. Again, we'll give that a stir around, cook it for a couple of minutes just to let the sauce flavour the tofu. And now it's time to serve. I like to serve mine just on a bed of egg noodles, but you can serve yours with some rice or some chips. Now as a little garnish at the end, we'll just sprinkle it with some spring onions. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.